Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about cohesive design tips to connect each room in your home. If you've ever watched home makeover videos or shows or looked longingly at online listings, then you've probably noticed how cohesive they look. A cohesive home is one where each room seamlessly blends and flows together nicely to create one unified look throughout the rest of the house. Each space has bold colors and textures that complement each other, and then the whole home flows seamlessly from room to room. And of course, cohesion should happen in each room too. So let's get started. It's really important to identify your interior design style. Choosing an interior design style is the first step to a home so cohesive it fully immerses you into your surroundings. Choose a design style that fits your personality. You can opt for modern, cozy, rustic, shabby chic, or something else that inspires you and helps you feel at peace. The consistent colors and decorations that come from a well-set interior style can build you a world of your own within your home. It can also make your space feel larger and more organized, like a home that you want to sink right into. Carefully select a color palette and keep it consistent. A great cohesive design primarily comes down to your color palette and pattern choice. For the open, consistent concept you desire, choose a color palette that will work with every part of your home. Start with a neutral hue to set the tone of your home. Then add in 3 to 4 bright hues. All this color variation is a great way to bring both vibrancy and consistency into your home. Multiple textures can add visual weight. Your textures can come in so many forms: paint and tile, rugs, furniture, art. Choosing the right texture for your home means keeping the overall design concept in mind. Your material should forge a visual landscape that fully immerses into your home. Don't forget to define your space with rugs. To make your flooring more unique and individualized in each room, add a few rugs. Choose between a textured neutral fur for a modern appeal or opt for a boho chic pop of color. These small changes can instantly elevate any space in your home, and the more rugs you add, the more cohesively you transform the surroundings. Consider a mix of vintage and modern furniture. Use a mix of the old and the new to make your home appear modern yet lived in. Vintage and modern pieces together can add personality and uniqueness as you walk from one room to another. Your home will look as if it's evolved throughout the years without a total renovation, bringing soul and unity into your space. Fill up your space with only pieces that you love. Whether that's bright florals, vintage records, or old patterns, find a way to make it all look aesthetically pleasing throughout your home. That's how you give your space a personality and set up a house that's truly a home. It's important to incorporate repetition for a cohesive space. Select repetition throughout your home gives you that sought after flowing effect. It can also give your home stability and make it feel cohesive. This is why it's important to keep the little things the same. They can make a significant difference in the overall appearance. Trims, stains, door handles, and flooring in an open concept home should be repetitive so your home flows effortlessly from room to room. As important as repetition is, adding contrast is equally crucial. After all, you don't want each bathroom to have exactly the same vanity, tile, and counters. To make each room more unique, choose different patterns, colors, and tiles that don't look the exact same as the rest of your home. These simple changes can give each room its own personality while remaining within your color palette, so you still get that cohesiveness. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.